is my Airsoft Mortar that I made. Shoots Airsoft BBs. And as you can see, I spray painted it just tan. I didn't have an end cap, so I just used duct tape and I spray painted that too. So here's how it works. So this pin, or this nail, will be out like that, and then you will put just any water bottle filled with dry ice. I guess you just pour the warm water into it. You screw in the lid and it'll start building up pressure. You just push it in there and it'll go all the way down. And you push that and you put in whatever you basically want to shoot out of it. Either like a mortar shell or tennis ball or something. And then you just, well, I haven't made a bipod for it, but it'll already be on the bipod when you do that. And you just walk away and it'll fire. And I'll make another video on a shooting test. Probably tomorrow or something, maybe later today.